Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the Easy Home Screen app because apparently, navigating a standard Android phone is still too much of a mental marathon for some of us. This launcher replaces your default home screen with massive icons and simplified navigation, making it a go-to for seniors, beginners, or anyone who finds modern technology personally offensive. With oversized text and buttons large enough to be seen from space, it certainly hits the mark for accessibility. However, be warned that this app is a bit like that one house guest who refuses to leave. Some users report it takes over the home screen so aggressively that uninstalling it feels like a breakup with a Stage 5 clinger. You will also have to dodge the usual minefield of ads and in-app purchases, which really adds that extra layer of simplicity we all crave. Despite its clingy personality, the app boasts over 10 million downloads and a solid 4-star rating on Google Play. It is an ideal choice for kids, the elderly, or anyone who wants their high-powered smartphone to act like a glorified brick with pictures. Easy Home Screen delivers on its promise of a clutter-free experience, provided you don't mind the ad-riddled exit strategy. That's our review. Would you trade your phone's soul for a slightly larger call button?